Hello, everybody. We are just at the corner of 2020, and this will be the last post of the year, I guess. I don't know. But yes, so I wanted to talk to you because, as I told you, we are at the corner of 2020. You must be thinking of few resolutions like every year. So, thought of giving you some insight and you know uh, help you because I was also thinking the same. So if this video helps you, that will be great. Now, first of all, if you think of jotting down or having some resolutions, like going to the gym from the 2nd of January, because first, I don't want to mention that, but second onwards, you want to go to a gym and you want to quit smoking, you want to refrain from alcohol or some other habits you want to sacrifice and don't do it, and want to cultivate few good habits. So that's how we take some resolutions. However, don't waste time on making some resolutions or planning something which will fade by January 15th or before Valentine's Day. So think of something which will really help you, and you will be very much committed till the end of the year. Till the end of the year, at least. Because after 90 days of doing that particular activity, then only you can make it, make that thing a lifestyle. You can't just do it for 10-15 days or 21 days. 21 days are more of a trial pack. So at least 90 days you want to you have to dedicate for that particular activity. So if you are going to do that, then you can start one. A few resolutions if I want to give you, because I'm also planning to do one. I hope that I also keep it up. So first and foremost thing is refrain from negativity and be positive about the approach. That's one. Second is a good food, healthy food, healthy diet is the second thing what you can look at. That is, in general way, you can just take care of your health. That can be anything: joining a gym, yoga, meditation, spiritual nourishment, anything you can check off for your fitness, for your spiritual nourishment, for your personal, for your family, for your professional work, for your studies. So you can check all the grounds, all the areas, and you can improve and make some resolution. Don't make big resolutions just for the sake of making, and because it is very personal. It's only for you. If you're going to cheat, if you're going to achieve, it's for you. If you're cheating your resolution, that means you're cheating yourself. So plan wisely. Don't waste time on making some big list of resolutions. Each area, make 2 resolutions and start following it. Not much. Health, 2. Spiritual, 2. Family, 2. Education, 2. Professional, 2. Two resolutions per. Going to gym, I'll drink water and I'll carry a water bottle with me. Wherever, just not gym, but wherever I go, I'll carry a water bottle with me and keep myself hydrated. So 2 things for health. Or maybe third thing can be eating healthy food. A spiritual thing is I'll listen to some spiritual audiobooks or read some audiobooks. Read some audio, read some books. And you can also pray to whatever religion you follow, do meditation. So every area, just take 2 of them. So that's all I wanted to tell you. So thank you very much. Happy New Year in advance. So I get a lot of appreciation and motivation from you. So because of you, your comments, your views, I am motivated so that I can come up with more content, more video to you. So keep learning, keep growing. Happy New Year in advance. Okay. Plan things. Have a good plan for yourself, which will lead you to a successful life. Thank you very much. Your Jose Michael. Bye.